Hi and welcome to the channel where we talk about everything eBay related and more. For you, the beginner, to help you get up and going with everything eBay related. It could be dropshipping, it could be reselling, it could be arbitrage, literally everything for the beginner to really get you going. And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about everything to do with some particular websites that can actually help you find deals online. I'm not seeing much people talk about this and how they go about things. Well, I'll be just demonstrating on the screen some particular websites where you can use items, where you can find items that are profitable and even ready to buy along that way. So the first thing we're going to start off is, why do we need to go to these particular sites? They will cut down some of the searching online and giving you an opportunity to even test and buy a particular item at a low price. Remember I said strategy we were focused about. Buy low, sell high. And that's what we're looking for, sell for a profit. And to put it in the marketplace, you'll be surprised when you sell something on eBay. Now, the biggest thing that I had when it comes down to eBay is thinking about, why would a person buy this item for more money? And it was a very, very shock to see where people were actually buying the items I had when I knew there was somebody else. Now, this is the very big secret, is that you don't know what you don't know. Majority of people will go online and they probably search and they find a particular item for full price. And that's what they want. Some of the items, some people can't get in their local establishment or in the particular area. And you have it. The good thing is about it, if you've got it, they want it, they may pay double or triple the price. Or they may not have access to the platform or anything whereby they get all the benefits as well on that platform. So think about it very, very carefully when it comes down to, if you're going to buy something, you just got to think quite different. Don't get caught up into it. Oh, will somebody buy it for that price? Because what that is you getting in the way of your profits. Right? You're thinking like somebody else and what you would do. The customers will want to buy this item because you have it at the right price and obviously it's in demand. Or like I said, strategy, sell what people want to buy. So the first thing is that here's an application that introduced to me by somebody. It's called BuyBotPro. And here it is on the screen. Now, it's a very, very good particular program. And again, if you're the type of person that loves to go in and go to shopping and likes to scan things, this is pretty good. Obviously, if you go into your local supermarket, your Tesco's, Sainsbury's, and you go to the clearance aisle and you see something, it's good a way of trying to compare, and it will give you back the actual prices of some of the actual local retailers. Like take it on Amazon, they will compare against, and obviously if it shows you on eBay, it will also compare against them. Now what you can do is, obviously you want to find out a deal. You want to find out the prices very, very quickly. And also the time, if you looked at the price in the store, this was on clearance, it will give you what is it actually on the other sites. Now the good thing about it is this: you can scan the item. I'm going to be talking about this in other particular applications as well. It shows you can scan the items and get the price of the items. Now, this is the cool part of it, whereby you don't panic. And when we're going into stores and maybe the security guards ask you what you're doing, you scan these items, blah 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 blah. Don't panic. This is the real deal. And you've got to get into the habit of this. I got like this one day, I was scanning all items and they're asking me what am I doing. I said, like, just comparing the price. Now, you're not stealing, you're doing anything in the receipt, you're just making sure that, it's a good deal. You get used to, people doing that. And they now know that a lot of people come in and compare prices as well. And those are the things that you want to do. They're okay with it and it's fine. So, this is a good application, BuyBotPro. You don't have to actually get the full subscription, but more importantly, it's a good item to have if you want to do what we call competitive analysis, where you are looking at different prices as well. So you don't, if you buy something, you can probably sell it as well. Amazon has a very, very interesting particular area on its site whereby it shows you all deals. Now, it also shows you all types of deals actually going on. Again, another area that a lot of people don't talk about, where Amazon, there's loads of deals on Amazon every single day. People selling pieces where they have to get rid of items. Very, very interesting indeed. You can sit there all day long having to. Obviously, you will have to have a bit of cash ready lying around. However, more importantly is that if you find something that you can start by small and you buy it and you can sell it, great stuff. The key goal here is this: when it comes down to things that you want to sell and you feel that it hasn't sold, why not do what we call break even, whereby you sell the item at low as possible where you didn't actually make a loss. So your objective is that you will not make a loss if you think about this in its full entirety. Yep, people will buy the item, but at a price they want to pay. I've sold something. If the objective is not to make a huge, crazy loss, when I'm talking about at least over 1,000 or 500 or things like that, £2-3 here and there, okay, fair enough. This is your objective, is to get rid of the item as quick as possible. Okay, when it comes down to these types of things. Keepa is an excellent application on the day. What I just showed you here from Amazon, it will scrape up all these particular deals and put them in front of you. Now you can sort them out all different categories. You can do other things. You can see here. I use it extensively. I literally did some things on this particular application I wouldn't even imagine, to say the least, when it came down to the application. I was very, very intrigued when it does that as well. Again, it's free application. You can obviously use it on the go. Ideals is another website again, and also here's another website called Hot Deals. Hot Deals come from all different types of companies out there, and they brought them all together, all the type of deals out there. It also brings them Amazon, brings them some from the latest the stores as well. There are some other sites as well that I could list that you can find deals each and every week coming through. And this is what you want to have a place. You don't have to go for all of these, but you literally every day you can go and find deals, people clearing things. You can find deals even in your own area. Now this is the even bigger secret. And again, I've been to clearance aisles in about 4 or 5 particular areas, found different things. The good thing is these deals are not online, and this is where you win hands down. Finding things where other people are not going to be there. Granted that there may be other resellers in there, or people thinking that if you've got the actual money to go and do that, great stuff. But as a beginner, these are the types of things you're looking at, whereby you're going shopping. You just say she gone out there, had a look. That's all I want you to do. Have a little look and do the comparison, compare. Yep. It doesn't mean it's going to sell, but more importantly, you just got to get the habit of understanding, if I buy this now, when is it going to sell? Is it going to sell? Why are they doing it? And getting yourself in the habit of doing this. Some people want to do it for the time being. Some people want to do it full time. Really up to you. I do this full time, hence why, wherever I go, I can find this type of stuff. But if you want to just make an extra side hustle here and there, these are the things that you can put into place where you can earn some extra money. But you've got to be very, 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 good at it and understand it well. If you like information that we're providing, why not comment below? Have your say, share your opinion, and we can even solve some of the problems that you may be facing along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel to get exclusive updates on when things change on eBay and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.